Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to find your Facebook app user ID. It's super easy, so let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. Click on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, I need you to scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Tap on that. And click on Settings. Now in here, I need you to scroll down until you see Apps and Websites. Click on that. And I need you to choose one. Click on that. And there you go. As you can see, you can already see your user ID. And that's it. That's how you find your Facebook app user ID. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.